Hi guys and gals, and welcome to another video. Today's video is about me. I wanted to do a hashtag meet the artist, little artist meme, I guess is what it was, or is, or what have you. I tried to do a whole bunch of research around hashtag meet the artist because in a Discord group that I'm in, a lot of us artists were talking about making one, and you know, that really inspired today's video, and I decided to make mine. And so I'd say probably a good about 3-4 hours worth of research trying to figure out like where the meme originated from, and I could not find anything around the original source. I could find a whole bunch of different artists' pictures that they drew, that they made about them and their characters or themselves, like a personification, a persona that they, you know, resonate with. And so with mine, I actually did 2 drawings and combined them. And the first drawing that you are seeing on screen is actually cartoonism, I guess is what the word would be, of myself that, you know, I combine, you know, I guess realism with cartoonism, and it kind of comes out to this style that I do. And so I created this particular character is myself, and I drew it as I don't tend to show myself a lot on social media, and I wanted you guys to see who I am. And the second character is my persona that I resonate a lot with as VampiressViolet. And so I draw her as well with my character and combine the characters together at the end of the piece. But right now it's going through the process of me drawing the characters, coming out with poses, and then making the hair, all the details and other things like that, making sure that they're around roughly the same size so that way they're not off balance. But anyways, so a little bit about me. My name is Delana, and I have 2 first names, D and Lena, and combined together they're Delana. I was named after my great-grandma Dorothy, which we always called Grandma D. And so my mom was requested by my great-grandma to have her 2 children, the next 2 children in the family, have something with the letters D-E in their name. So my brother's middle name has D-E as Dwayne, and then myself is Delana. So something I didn't mention in the meet the artist, but I thought I would let you guys know that. So that's my name. And my middle name actually was given to me by my grandma, who liked the name Marie. So all together, my family came together with my mom and basically made my name for me. So let's see, what else can I say about myself that you guys don't know that I didn't mention? Oh, I was born tone deaf. If you don't know what that means, it means that you are basically partial deaf. You don't hear normal things like other people do. And come to find out, I'm actually completely deaf in my right ear, so I can't hear anything out of that side. So my left side tries to compensate more for my right side, and in turn that basically allows me to hear. I was technically supposed to lose my hearing at the age of 21. I'm 25, getting ready to turn 26 this year, and you know, I haven't lost my hearing yet. I don't plan on losing my hearing anytime soon, and if I do lose my hearing, it's going to be very hard to try to relearn sign language and other things like that, because I learned sign language when I was very young. I can sign the whole alphabet in sign language. I can do a whole bunch of stuff. Another, I guess, a weird fact about me is, I don't remember if I mentioned this in a video. I think I mentioned it on Twitch that I have to have vibrations to be able to feel where I'm getting shot at when I'm playing video games like a first-person shooter, or where I'm getting attacked at or something like that, and I can automatically tell where I'm getting shot at. Um, so I guess that's a weird fact about me. So I have to have vibrations when I play video games in order to be able to sense or hear, in my case, where the enemies are at. If I don't have my headphones on, I can play the game still. I always have subtitles in my video games when I play, so that way I can see with my eyes of what they're saying, because sometimes the voice acting is so low it's hard to hear, or I'm talking to other people and I can't hear the game over them, and so I have to have the subtitles. And I'm a very fast reader, so that helps me out a whole bunch. What else? I was born cross-eyed, so I had to have surgery, and I swallowed a quarter when I was 4 years old, like directly after getting my tonsils and adenoids taken out, because I had a hard time eating and swallowing, so I had to get those removed. I swallowed a quarter. The quarter ended up getting lodged in my heart and was taken out by a long magnet. If they weren't able to get that taken out when I was young and out through the long magnet, I would have had my chest cracked open and basically had open heart surgery to get that out. Thankfully, I got that removed. Another weird fact, my mom has that quarter still somewhere in her room. It's like our little memento. And it has authentic blood. No, but seriously, we still have that quarter somewhere, like, roaming around my mom's room. My mom likes to collect a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, that's one of her things that she likes to do. What else can I mention? Let's see. There's a lot of things that's, like, on, my little sheet of, myself, of, like, things I like, things I don't like. There's a lot of things that's on there that I don't mention a lot, and the things I'm saying to you guys, I don't actually mention a lot. I will say, though, that I am deaf, and, as a deaf artist and a deaf gamer, it's hard for people to understand that you're not deaf, you can hear me. And it's like, well, I play you very well, because when I look at you, I'm reading your lips. I can read your lips in order for me to understand you of what you're saying, even at low terms. Now, if you go and you turn away from me, or if you're walking away from me whenever you're talking, about 85% of the time, I can't understand you. So, that's something else. What else? I have cats. I like cats. I prefer cats over dogs. I did have a dog a while ago, but to do with city ordinance, we had to get rid of a couple of our dogs, which I volunteered to get rid of my dog, which I was totally upset about. But, she's off in a better place. She was adopted out, as far as I know, and taken care of. So she's in a better place, even though she was my dog. I have a whole bunch of cats. I have technically 5 that are mine. The 5 cats are Nightingale, Big Sis, Nefertiri, or aka Neffy is when I call her, Aquila, and Courage. Courage is my boyfriend's cat. Yes, we named her after Courage the Cowardly Dog, but whenever she was little, she was always scared of everything, so we just called her Courage the Cowardly Cat. And she's no longer cowardly. She's very brave. She's very rambunctious. She's just an ornery little fart. All my other cats are very lovable. Big Sis mainly stays in our room because she gets attacked by the other cats. So we have to kind of protect her in that way. And she's still kind of small. For her age, she's like almost 2 years old. And she's still like a small cat, like almost like a miniature cat, but she's not a miniature cat. So, I'm not married. I do wear my class ring on my left hand. I have a butterfly tattoo on my left hand. What else? I think that's pretty much it that I can really say about myself. Oh, I prefer to be barefoot instead of wear shoes. I hate wearing shoes. That's why I drew my character without shoes. um, but yeah, a little bit again about the piece is, I drew these characters of myself and my avatar because I feel like it's a fitting suit for me, and it really shows who I am. I'm an introvert. I'm a mediator. There we go. Between people, I can help them and understand them, and I can mediate between everybody of who they are, I guess would be the word. So I'm kind of like a social butterfly, but I'm secure on that and very solitude. So, yeah. Anyways, we're getting really close to the end of this video. I hope this was a little bit more informative about me, and I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope this was a bit more information about me as an artist as well as a gamer and as a person in general that you guys can get to know. I am a real person. I have issues. Everybody has issues, and I think this is a good way to get to know people. If you're an artist, I honestly recommend doing this for yourself because you'll kind of feel secure and better understand your situation, as well as, let people know who you are as a person. And it's fun to do, honestly, to tell you the truth. Anyways, we are getting super close to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this a thumbs up, and that shows me your support. Also, all my links are down below where you can find me. And yeah, my name is VampiressViolet, the gaming artist. I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and I hope you all have a lovely day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay batty. Later.